Let's talk about item types. Item types are very important building blocks within your QuickBooks database. Let's come here under Lists and let's come into our item list. When we need to set up a new item, it's very important that we set up the item type correctly. Let's say, for example, that we're a ski resort. Let's go through the 10 item types within your QuickBooks software. We would use the service choice for such things as private ski lessons. Note the definition here. Use this one for services you charge for or purchase, like specialized labor, consulting hours, or professional fees. Inventory parts. We would want to use inventory parts for things that we purchase, want to track as inventory, and resell, such as snow skis and snow boots. Let's look at non-inventory parts. Non-inventory parts are very useful and important within your QuickBooks database. You want to use these for materials or parts for which you do not want to track quantities, or for materials or parts you buy but not sell, and materials or parts you sell but not buy. In other words, we have to make our own snow. We have to buy an enormous amount of water in order to make our own snow. We would want to set water up as a non-inventory part, because you see what would happen. If we had it set up as an inventory part, our inventory of water would continue to grow and grow because we never sell water. Another good example is lift tickets. We never purchase lift tickets for resale. All we do is sell them. And so you'd see what happened if we set up lift tickets as an inventory part. We would have a negative inventory of lift tickets. Next, other charge items. Use other charges for miscellaneous charges such as freight, handling, or delivery charges. Next, subtotals. We want to use this to calculate subtotals on invoices or POs. This is a line item we can insert on our invoices and POs, and it'll subtotal the lines above it. Next, groups. This allows fast entry of a group of individual items. Often we sell or buy the same group of items. We can group 20 items together and then process this group on invoices and purchase orders. Discount. This is a line item we can put on the invoice for a discount we want to offer to a particular customer. And a payment. Use this to record a partial payment received at the time the invoice is processed. And finally, we have the two last items, sales tax item and sales tax group. These are covered in detail in the sales tax section of this training. Once again, these things go in order of most frequently used with QuickBooks customers. You'll find you use the first 3 items much more than the rest.